So where has our travels taken us today?
Well, we just missed the elevator at the Fort Wilderness Cooper Creek villas here at Orlando in Walt Disney World.
This place is awesome.
It's so pretty at Christmas. Oh my gosh.
Let's go show you around.
Walking right down the middle of Main Street, USA. Meeting all my favorite characters to start the perfect day. Riding on a magic carpet, soaring to the stars above. Living out the fairy tale that I have always dreamed of. 'Cause it's a Disney day, everything's amazing. Disney day, hearts are over blazing. Oh, it's a Disney day, yeah, we're making memories. Disney day, the happiest place to be.
All right, we are on room 3119. And right off to the left, we got our kitchenette. And all the utensils and storage that you may need for your trip. Queen size bed with plenty of storage underneath as well.
That was Mickey.
And really good sized TV for this size room. This couch is a sleeper couch, so if you need a little more sleeping room, that will fold out there. And let's take a look at our balcony. So not a ton of balcony space, enough room to sit, but we do got a great little view of the pool area, and Magic Kingdom is just right over the treetops over there. And we'll take a look at the pools here in a little bit. Sliding door access for the bathroom.
All right, so what I really love is that it has this huge counter space, and I've got this is one of my favorite touches. I know hotels have these, but I love those. And then that the toilet and stuff is kind of like separate and can be closed off. So like while I'm getting ready, you can be showering and stuff.
You are a fan of that.
I am.
Yeah, real nice little bathroom area. I like having little
some
shelving space up there too.
And the extra lighting for like makeup and stuff, that's really nice.
Oh, and
oh, is that a water fountain right here? I haven't even opened it up.
Look at that. Heck yes.
Right here you can see how spacious the room is. If you have a little one like we do, there's plenty of room for them to play and to have all your things out and to kind of keep it safe. I also have in the past loved myself a good coffee bar, but since seeing that one lady's video go viral of her washing her undergarments, no more. Now we have DVC, so we did not spend this, but here's the price per night for this room.
And here is the pool area for the main part of the resort.
USA, meeting all my favorite characters to start the perfect day. Riding on a magic carpet, soaring to the stars above. Living out the fairy tale that I have always dreamed of. 'Cause it's a Disney day, everything's amazing. Disney day, hearts are over blazing. Oh, it's a Disney day, yeah, we're making memories. Disney day, the happiest place to be.
They also have a character meal here.
Yes, so like I said before, outside of Whispering Canyon, this is where you can do Snow White, the Evil Queen, and you can meet Dopey and Grumpy. And
how cool is that?
Like magical. Like it's like her cottage, and they have twinkle lights in the trees, and they like dance to the silly song, and the queen stands in front of this like huge storybook, and the food was really good.
And it's right in here. So where are we now?
We're in the Boulder Ridge part of Fort Wilderness.
Oh, this is great.
Good job, Evelyn.
Little added Mickey touch in the hallways. Love that.
Daddy. 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 Daddy
And there are plenty of walkways throughout the resort, so if you want to get a little walk or run in, you'll have plenty of space. And here is the pool on the Boulder Ridge side of the resort. Got a little walk-in, which is super nice when you got kids. Just a great pool area. And if you got crazy money, you can stay at one of the cabins here as well. I can't even imagine the cost of one of these per night.
Oh, it's a lot more than I got.
For sure. Look how nice they are. And you can do a little fishing here if you want. Dock is right over there. And there's the info if you want to do some fishing.
Here's another dining option they have. They are loaded with dining options. This one's nice because it's outdoors. It's very scenic and calm. We actually met a lady on the boat back from Magic Kingdom who said this was her favorite place. All right, so we are going to have breakfast here at the Whispering Canyon Cafe.
It looks good.
They have a skillet meal. It's like a family style thing, and I am ready to tear it up because it looks delicious.
And there's plenty of eating options here too.
Yeah, they are stacked. They've got like quick service. This one, there's a really nice like food bar area out there. They also have a character dining, the Artist Point, which is like the Snow White one, which I have done, and it's some of the best character dining, like food-wise, I've ever had.
Even the elevators here are themed. This is what sets Disney apart all the time.
It really is. Like, it just makes it all immersive everywhere you go.
Yes.
I don't know if it's this way everywhere or if maybe it was just a fluke while we were here, but it did feel like the buses were pretty slow, so we ended up taking the boat quite a bit more than using the buses.
And speaking of the boat, and this trail will take you to the boat, which is right over there, and that boat will take you to the Magic Kingdom. So one of the few drawbacks to Fort Wilderness, Cooper Creek here is I'd be ready to do some walking. So you can see parking lot's always full. We're parked way down there. And then the resort itself is, you can kind of see it through the trees. You probably got, depending on where your room is, probably a good almost half-mile walk to get to your room. So bring your walking shoes. So Disney's Wilderness Lodge at Cooper Creek.
Oh my gosh, I'm ready to be like full-on DVC owners right here, because like it is like the most laid back, most relaxing. You have all the options. Well, you don't have monorail choices, but you have buses and you have boats and all the ways to get to Magic Kingdom. So easy, so smooth without all the parking and the walking and all the things, and I'm obsessed.
I will say getting to Magic Kingdom from here is so much easier.
It's a game changer. Like I'm full on ready to like lock it in and buy some points and do the thing.
Being able to use the boats to get there.
Yes, and I love the boats. I know they're a little bit slower, but like I love the boats.
This place is great,
Yes.
and we'll be back.
Oh, for sure.
I've always
Bye, y'all.
dreamed of, 'cause it's a Disney day.